R&D Packing Printing. Our company was founded in 2000. Our primary products are industrial packaging, mainly offset printed color boxes, flexo printed outer cartons, and digitally printed products. The main issues with corrugated color boxes are, first, prone to cracking. Improper pressure adjustment can easily cause cracking at the creases. Second, die cutting plate. If the design is not tested with a sample during the initial stage, the final shape and dimensions of the die may not match the customer's requirements. This can lead to production stoppage, and if workers are not careful, it may result in large-scale losses. Third, small order quantities. Small runs pose challenges with mold costs, which can reduce our profit margins or even lead to losses. We chose JWEI for two main reasons. First, JWEI has very strong design capabilities. Second, JWEI has a great reputation. Its product quality is among the best in China. Zero equipment issues in nearly 4 years of JWEI machine operation. We once needed a custom pre-creasing wheel. JWEI developed and delivered it within just 2 months. We then bought their 3-head machine to solve the cracking issue. The most commendable aspects of JWEI are their R&D capability. JWEI can effectively turn our ideas into reality. Their strong service mindset. They frequently send engineers to our site for follow-up visits. And 2, address any practical issues we encounter during actual production use.